Hi there! Welcome to Agolix. When you log into your account, you'll be taken to your assessments page. This is where you'll see all the assessments you have created, some example assessments we have provided, as well as where you can create new ones. For this demonstration, let's create a new assessment. Once we're in the editor, we'll go straight to our Questions tab. Now that we've made it to our Questions tab, select the Generate with AI button. The AI question generator will appear. You'll notice we provided some tips and examples. In the Enter a Prompt box, you'll enter your search criteria. Fantastic! Click the Generate Questions button below the editor box. You'll know your questions are being created when the message "Waiting for the AI to generate your questions" appears. Now that our AI-generated questions have appeared, you may now check the box or boxes to choose any you'd like to include in your assessment. You can also click the box for response required to ensure respondents must answer that question while taking your assessment. Once you've chosen what you would like to add, click Add to Assessment, or if you're not happy with these questions, select Clear to start your search again. Nice work! Please check out our other videos to learn more about our software and what we can do for you. Remember, you can always reach your goals with Agolix. Have a great day!